Okay, YouTube, you're looking at the Parliament buildings, standing on the shoulder of Wellington. Had some trucks move out today, if you can see behind me, but Wellington got repacked. Oh, and look at that. I'm not sure who this guy is, but happens to be quite a few of our trucks here. There's Jeffy's truck. Uncle John and Aunt Diane, they're sitting in their cab, staying warm. Tom got on there. Mr. Jack Van Rootselaar. Andy in 144. Johnny Doppenberg. And Eddie Dunning. And then there's trucks filled in behind them here. Be a little bit more of a packed street this weekend. Gerard got another guy right up here. And Davey Dietrich. He's a friend from Newmarket. Good guy. And Jan Gruden. Right at the front here. So, Wellington's pretty packed up here. So, apparently the emergency order thing is happening, but yeah, we got escorted by police on to Wellington, so everybody on Wellington should be okay at least. I think everybody in the city of Ottawa, that was more for the blockades. Everybody in the city of Ottawa is okay. There's a meeting going on in there right now. The block captains. Anyway, figured I'd just do a quick post. Show you where things are. What's going on. God bless Canada.